Good day everyone. I'm Zaidi Ismaglasang with my partner.
And I'm Marissa Santana.
We are VIP students from Cebu Technological University Oslo Extension Campus. Now today, I will demonstrate to you how to assemble and disassemble the system unit from computer with my partner Santana Mirasol. And now we are going to disassemble the parts of system unit. We have here some toolkit to use to disassemble. We have the screwdriver, star screw, and the anti-static wastework to prevent the build-up of static electricity near the sensitive electronics. Unplug all the cables and wires that connects the monitor and the other parts of computer system in the system unit. We have here the Ethernet LAN port. The other one is the VGA, which is video graphic array. We remove from the system unit to the back of the monitor. Is the power cables from the power supply unit. We unplug and then we unplug also the power cables to supply. We have here, so here, which is connect to the back of the monitor. This one. And the mouse and the keyboard. Second step thing to do is open the outer shell or the case of the system unit. We are going to remove the CPU fan from the motherboard. First, we remove the CPU fan connector from the motherboard, and then we slowly remove the CPU fan from the motherboard. Fourth step is we need to remove the power supply from system unit. First thing to do is remove the screw. And the second is we remove the ATX 24 pin power connector that connects from the motherboard. The second one. After that, we need also to remove the Molex connector that connects to the hard disk and to the optical disk drive. After that, we simply remove the PSU or power supply unit. The fifth step is remove the optical disk drive or the secondary memory. And then the second is we remove the SATA connector from the optical disk drive that can connect, and simply remove the optical disk drive. Next is we need to remove the hard disk drive. After that, we remove the SATA cables from hard disk drive and simply remove the hard disk drive from the chassis. Seventh step is we remove the RAM or random access memory from DIMM slot or dual inline memory module. Use your two hands and you get the RAM like this because it is very sensitive. And the last part of disassemble the system unit is to remove the motherboard. Simplify, remove the motherboard from the system unit. Prepare your workplace.
We're going to install the CPU. Next, install the CPU heatsink.
And connect the CPU connector to the motherboard.
Next, install memory module or RAM module.
Mira.
We need to use the anti-static wrap to prevent the build-up of static electricity near sensitive electronics.
Okay, next, we are going to connect the power supply.
And we connect the 24-pin power connector from power supply to motherboard.
Okay, next, we are going to install the internal drive. And the hard disk drive.
Connect the Molex connector from power supply unit to hard drive and optical drive. And then after that, we connect the SATA cables to the hard disk drive and the optical disk drive. we connect the audio connector to the motherboard and also the USB. We connect the front panel connector to the motherboard. The green and white stands for power switch. And then the right side is the power LED, which is orange and white. At the back of the power switch is the HDD LED. And then on the back of the power LED is the reset switch, which is blue and white.
Last.
We put the cover case to the system unit. We're going to connect all the cables. We connect the Ethernet LAN port to the back panel. And then the power cable from the power supply unit. Also the VGA or video graphic array. And then the connector from the keyboard and the mouse. After that, from the power supply connector, we'll going connect it to the board power supply. Add another power cables from UPS and directly connect to the monitor. Also the VGA from the back panel from the system unit, we will going to tap at the back of the monitor. And now we have done on how to assemble and disassemble the system unit of the computer.
Sometimes I just need a light.